So I will talk about something today very interesting. I think you never heard, or maybe you heard but you don't understand. I will talk about the spiritual side of sneezing. Why is happening when you have no reason. For example, you feel very good, but sometimes we just sneeze without reason. Of course, it can happening because of allergy or something, but I talk about when you sneeze without reason. That means you get somehow higher energy, higher than your level. That means, for example, when the light is coming to your heart, it's open your heart chakra. It's opening your heart, and when it's open very quickly, very quickly, and then you get higher vibration, but that is in one minute, faster, 1 second. And then because of this very quick situation, you just sneeze without reason, but it's a real reason, because the light is coming to your heart. It's open your heart, and your vibration it's very get very high, rise very high to the highest level, because this is how you can raise your vibration with your heart chakra. It's very simple. When you open your heart chakra with the light, with your feelings, with the love, and then you can raise your vibration in just like this. And sometimes when it's happening many times with me, and I just sneeze, and it's not because you are sick, but if you get scared, the vibration is going down again, and you're scared, and the vibration going down from the high level, because this can always going down, also going down. And then when it's going down, then you get a problem, because the fear, to understand, and the sneezing, it's that means your heart is open, or should be open. So that's happening when I focus on that, or directly when I don't focus on that, this can happen. And this is the spiritual side of the sneezing. Thank you so much for your watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe and like, or you can write a comment. I will answer as soon as possible. See you next time.